I don't agree when you say that we have gifted the inland waterways to Government of India. Okay, I don't agree with it. Why, I will tell you. You see, under this Indian Waterways Act, Nationalization of Rivers Act of 2016, there were certain provisions which Government of Goa has taken advantage of. And credit to Government of Goa. I think Government of Goa is the only state in the country that negotiated a memorandum of understanding with Government of India. This memorandum of understanding, if you all are not going to disturb me, I will read out to you all.
I know that.
Okay. No, but I am reading it out for my colleague, Mr. Cruz Silva and others. In 2018, a memorandum of understanding was signed between Government of Goa, Inland Waterways Authority, and MPT. First, let me tell you why MPT. Normally in the other states, there is a maritime board, but Goa, by virtue of its size, has not constituted a board, and we still operate with the captain of ports. So we didn't have a board. Now, as per this National Waterways Act, the money had to be deposited with an agency with the Maritime Board. But since Goa did not have, the authorities decided that the money should be deposited with MPT. So a tripartite agreement was signed between the Captain of Ports, Mormugao Port, and Inland Waterways Authority of India. By virtue of this MOU, responsibilities of Government of Goa. For development of the said national ways, Government of Goa shall undertake the following responsibilities. Administration of rules and regulations as permitted under the Indian Waterways Act of 1985. Ensure security and safety of the waterways. Identify projects for implementation in consultation with the Indian Waterways Authority. Facilitate the project executing agency, MPT, to obtain all statutory clearances. Land acquisition as and when required for any development work on the said national waterways. Remove any encroachments on the waterways. Let me complete. I am on my feet. You let me. What do you mean let not read this? I am reading the salient facts, which I am sure you are not even aware about. You all are just shouting. Speaker, sir, I am on my feet. Tell him to sit. I am on my feet. I am on my feet. When your colleague spoke, I never interfered. I never interrupted them. You sit there. Facilitate last mile connectivity from the national waterways for seamless movement of goods and passengers. Government of Goa will identify and propose various development projects to be carried out in the rivers, and the same will be financed by the Indian Waterways Authority and executed by MPT, taking into consideration the technical, financial, environmental, public sensitivities of the state into account. The Indian Waterways Authority and MPT will implement projects in the river in agreement with Government of Goa. The parties agreed that the right over the waters of all the rivers, the riverbeds, the river banks, existing infrastructure, and the riverine land will be vested with the Captain of Ports Department, Government of Goa, as before. The Captain of Ports will be totally free to carry out independently any infrastructure development in the national waterways, utilizing its own finances, and the revenue generated thereof will only accrue to the state government. Also, all existing revenues that are being collected will be solely accrued to the Captain of Ports, Government of Goa only. Next, ensure unrestricted development and utilization of national waterways by regulating the existing fishing activities carried through stake net fishing, barrier net, river gill, river cages, and fishing by any registered gear. Views of the local fishermen of the areas shall, however, be taken into consideration before finalization of a site for development of COP and IWAI. Next, before the finalization, that is work of construction, dredging of a river, training wall construction bund, necessary environment impact assessment reports, if applicable, shall be carried out, and the effect on the ecology and other organisms shall be disclosed before tendering the work. The expenses for conducting the EIA will be funded by the Indian Inland Waterways Authority. Regulate horizontal and vertical clearances across river structures.
Speaker, sir,
These
Honorable
national
Minister,
waterways, I'm on my feet, let me
I know, but
complete.
Speaker, sir,
I require another 2-3 minutes. I am reading the MOU because
have
y'all are
the
making,
MOU, we also have the
y'all are
MOU,
making
Speaker, sir.
allegations. Y'all are making allegations.
Speaker, sir,
Y'all are
no,
making
important
allegations
issue.
to say that we have sold the
आणि
river.
टाइमपास चालला
आणि सदस्य बसून घ्या.
Let me complete by your
Alton Costa.
केसले
ए अल्टन डिकोस्टा.
my right to complete.
ए अल्टन डिकोस्टा तुमचे प्रश्न
Speaker, sir,
बसून घ्या.
when
ए
they
अल्टन
ask
डिकोस्टा.
answers,
पहिले
I
बस
ask
बस.
questions, I have not
बस
discussed
अल्टन
them.
डिकोस्टा.
Speaker, sir, this is a very sensitive issue.
Let me complete.
एल्टन उलोबा लैला
Then you are-
My
don't let
comment
me
is-
complete.
तू
I
speaker
want-
I'll just
want-
ask you a simple thing.
And सांगेल
You
एल्टन
can't
उलोय
disturb
मो.
me. When I am on my
सांगेल
feet, you
एल्टन
can't
उलोय मो
disturb
speaker
me.
सांगेल.
I'll just
You put the
आणि
clock
बसून
back if you want.
त्यांचे
you
लास्ट
tell the speaker.
You tell us,
Last
I'm
complete
not
कर
I'm
बजाय,
telling you
complete.
because you are pointing to the clock. Speaker Asang, before the
Complete kar.
finalization, that is work of construction of dredging of the river, training wall construction bund, necessary environment impact.
लास्ट कंप्लीट कर बजाय.
Let me complete. I
May
will
I make a
complete. I did
request?
not disturb you all.
No, may I make a request? Just a request. You have already said that there is a MOU which has been executed. We will take it on the face
No,
of
but
it.
I want the how I want even the people in the
Because,
gallery to know about it.
we are accepting
Y'all are-
it.
No, then y'all are saying we have gifted.
No,
Y'all are
wait,
saying
wait.
we have gifted. I am here clarifying
Speaker,
why
sir,
we have not.
but
why
I-
you
I-
cannot.
Speaker,
sir, ये MOU is bala sold.
Sagarmala project was
All
coming.
the rivers are
Then-
sold.
All the rivers are
Speaker, sir, all the rivers are sold.
Sagarmala.
Sir, all our rivers are sold. ये
sir,
किती आहे
speaker,
स्पीकर सर
sir, नाका आरोप करण्याची सवय झाली आहे.
सगळे बसून घ्या. सगळे बसून घ्या. आणि सदस्य सगळे बसून घ्या.
स्पीकर सर हे किती आहे?
आणि सदस्य सगळे बसून घ्या.
बरं स्पीकर सर स्पीकर सर एका बेस्ट आरोप करपाची सवय जाल्ली आहा
Because, sir,
टायमपास बिलकुल करिना तूं जाय जाल्यार एमओयू दवरपाक तयार आहा दवरता स्पीकर सर स्पीकर सर
जाग्यार
नाका
चला.
नाका आरोप करपाची सवय जाल्ली आहा
अरे तुमचे उत्तर त्यांनी दिले नाही. तुमच्या हे बघ तुम्ही जितले प्रश्न तुम्ही विचारले, तुम्ही वेळ घेतलो तुम्ही
अरे
जाग्यार
काय
बसात.
शिकूंक ना तुमकां बेश्टो भास जाल्ला जाय जाल्यार एमओयू सायन केला गव्हर्मेंटात पयले फावटी
Sir, I have
नॅशनल बिल
not
पास केल्या
completed.
उपरांत तो
जाग्यार
एमओयू
बसात.
सायन केल्या गोवा ही एकमेव स्टेट आसा
जाग्यार बसात.
त्या अंतर्गत असो एमओयू स्टार्ट करून आमी जो
आणि
आसा
सदस्य-
पयले गोवा
आणि
वयल्या
सदस्य
स्टेटीकडे
सगळे
रायट
तुम्ही जाग्यार
उरला
वचून बसात.
आयजपर्यंत.
जाग्यार वचून बसा तुम्ही.
स्पीकर सर प्रत्येकाक
आणि सदस्य
फक्त शो करून
जाग्यार वचून बसात.
एमओयू गो थ्रू द एमओयू माय एमओयू
जाग्यार वचून बसात.
वी आर रेडी टू प्लेस उत्तर दिता ते आयकून घेयात उत्तर आयकून घेवपाचे ना.
जाग्यार वचून बसात.
फक्त
time waste करताले.
उत्तर आयकून
जाग्यार वचून बसात. जाग्यार वचून बसात.
एलोपीन आयकून घेवचे उत्तर एमओयू आसा ऑन पेपर सांगता तुझ्याकडे आसा मरे गो थ्रू द एमओयू अरे कोणाक सांगता तू ते स्पीकर सर तेका एमओयू
लीडर ऑपोजिशन जाग्यार वचून बसात.
sir, I have
जाग्यार
not
वचून बसात.
completed.
जाग्यार वचून बसात. श्री अल्टन डिकोस्टा तुम्ही प्रश्न विचारना.
Because, sir,
श्री
I
अल्टन
have
डिकोस्टा
not completed.
तुमचा प्रश्न विचारपाचो ना. चल श्री अल्टन डिकोस्टा.
विचारला जाता
स्पीकर
उत्तर
सर
आयकून घेवपाची तयारी ना.
मान्य मंत्रीन आमगे आमदार कुरूज उलयता आसतना सांगला यू हॅव टू सी दॅट दीस रिवर्स इट वॉज व्हेरी सॅड टू से तुवें कितें म्हणा यू दस रिवर्स आर नॉट अस when he
Please repeat.
rivers amcho no, it is within the central purview multa. You had said that it is with the center. Tell speaker sir,
I
how
said-
did multa? You said no, we cannot say he said it.
I want
no,
to
before
complete
that.
my answer. You are not
बोल
allowed
sir,
to
see,
interrupt. You are disturbing
speaker
me.
sir, आम्ही
I will
40
use it.
आमदार आहे.
Use
Speaker
it,
sir,
I want
आम्ही
my
40
seat.
आमदार
Who are
आहे.
you, man?
If he cannot
Next
save our
question. Why you
rivers,
tell me to
no,
stop?
speaker sir, speaker sir, if we cannot save our rivers, the MLAs of no use.
प्रश्न उल्हास
The MLAs of no use if we cannot save our rivers.
How will he do it?
What are MLAs for? 40 आमदार आहे आम्ही.
Yeah,
We have to pass something
उल्हास
here.
प्रश्न हवे-
Make it
हवे
sure that the
कॉल केला
rivers
असेल,
come to
उल्हास
us.
I want to
Because, sir-
complete my answer.
Because sir,
Because,
हे
sir,
आम्ही
our
40
rivers
आमदार
are
आहे
full.
आणि आमका समज आमगे नुयो सांभाळपा कोण आहे
Because,
जाल्यार
sir,
वी आर गुड फॉर
हे
नथिंग.
किती आहे speaker sir?
स्पीकर सर
गीत आडवलकर.
परंतु
काय
सांगायला
गीत
आम्हाला-
आडवलकर?
सगळे बसून घ्या.
Speaker sir.
सदस्य
I B.
घ्या सगळे
I B.
सगळे बसून घ्या
Because,
It
sir,
is permitted to ask 5B.
आडवलकर.
केले cat. सगळे cat. सगळे
Hello,
cat.
Galler.
President.
5B.
गीत आडवलकर.
Speaker sir, I will make a very loud
Speaker sir, 5B.
Honorable Chief
सुन घ्या
Minister.
तर सर एका आरोप करपाची नाका जाल्ली संवय जाल्ली आसा हांव सांगता.
Loud
कितें ना?
because
Opposition leader.
Speaker sir.
तर सर
युरी आलेमाव.
सर विरोधकांक आन्सर
अपोजिशन
नाका.
लीडर युरी आलेमाव बसून घ्या.
sir.
Speaker sir, 5B.
सांगता पडे.
आन्सर घेवपाचे ना प्रश्न
House
विचारूच
you have to run.
Opposition leader.
स्पीकर सर
आमका जे
स्पीकर सर, आपण परत
मुखेलमंत्री
एकदा सांगता तेका.
मुखेलमंत्री
तू
दोळो
answer
माता
ऐकून घे.
आन्सर
Answer
ऐकेन आमी
ऐकून घे.
जायत
Sir, 5B.
स्पीकर सर
5B.
5B.
मुखेलमंत्री सगळे कंट्रोल
5B
दोड माता हातान येता सगळे तुंच कोदा आन्सर न्हू तू सगळे तुंच कोदा आसनाका
युरी आलेमाव. युरी आले बसून घ्या.
स्पीकर सर तुम्ही आमका
युरी आलेमाव बसून घ्या. स्टार क्वेश्चन नंबर
स्पीकर सर
5B.
5B कित्याक हे 5B कित्याक
5B.
अरे स्पीकर सर हे चेंज मुखेलमंत्री सांगत ते तू कोत मरे स्पीकर सर
अरे कितें आरोप करू नका निदान
कितें न्हू
स्पीकराचेर
तू
आरोप
दोड
केले,
मोठा
हावजान
दोळो
करतले.
दोळो
Third question
दोड
number.
माता दोळो
दोळो
दोड
दोळो
माता
सदस्य
हातान
सभागृहाची शांतता बाळगा.
दोड मोनाका
अरे दोळो
तुक स्वप्ना ते दोड
मुखेलमंत्री.
Speaker sir, 5B. 5B.
विरोधी पक्ष नेते
स्पीकर सर
5B.
5B ना आमका
5B.
5B.
मंत्री कोण हा चल
दिस इज एन इम्पॉर्टंट क्वेश्चन
कृषी मंत्री
द रिव्हर्स आर सोल्ड
कृषी मंत्री
Speaker sir, 5B.
पार्सेकरान केला
5B.
As per computer
Sir.
sheet.
Speaker sir. Speaker sir.
पार्सेकरान केला
Speaker sir. Honorable Minister रिप्लाय दिला त्याप्रमाणे
जे दिगंबर कामत आशिल्लो काँग्रेसा टायमार दॅट टाइम ही
टोटल 9 स्किमी आहात आणि 9 स्किमी
जेन्ना दिगंबर कामत
for the scheme mentioned at the point number 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9.
हे पार्सेकरान
नऊ स्किमी आहात.
केला